Step 1, plug your jumpers into the pod. You'll have a connection like that and just plug it right in. You'll hear it beep, turn it over, you'll have your red and green flashing lights. Step 2, you just connect your jumper cables to the battery. So if you look closely, you'll have one side that's red or has a plus sign and one that's negative and it's black. So that's how you tell the difference. Your IntelliJump cables will also tell you a little bit. And that's it. Then you can start your car. After the car is started, you want to disconnect these as soon as possible. And that's it.